Welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we bring you the top products and trends that are taking the market by storm. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we dive into an exciting countdown of the best-selling painting products on Amazon. If you're an artist, a DIY enthusiast, or simply someone looking to add a splash of color to your life, you're in the right place. These products have been chosen based on their popularity, user reviews, and overall performance, ensuring that you're getting the very best the market has to offer. Without further ado, let's get started and explore the top painting products that are making waves on Amazon right now. Stay tuned and let's dive into the colorful world of painting. Now, let's dive into the extraordinary Liquitex basics. Acrylic paint in the substantial 250 milliliters, 8.5 Oz, tube of titanium white, securing the number 5 spot on our list of Amazon's best-selling paintings. This paint isn't just a tool. It's an experience waiting to unfold on your canvas. Imagine a thick, creamy texture with a satin finish that dances under the light. Each brushstroke, each peak you create, retained in all its intended glory. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, mastering color theory and mixing has never been so accessible. This isn't just any paint. It's designed for those who seek perfection. With a substantial pigment load, your colors will pop with vibrancy and depth. The richness of the titanium white becomes the foundation upon which your masterpieces will stand. It's not just paint, it's the essence of creativity captured in a tube. What's more, it intermixes seamlessly with Liquitex professional acrylic paint colors and mediums, offering you an infinite palette of possibilities. Experiment, explore, and expand your artistic horizons. Safety? Conforms to ASTM-D 4236 standards, making it safe for educational use. Now imagine the potential of this 8.45-ounce tube in your hands. Your creativity unleashed. Every stroke, every blend, every highlight brought to life with precision and brilliance. Dive into the world of Liquitex basics. Acrylic paint, and transform your artistic visions into reality. Next, securing the number 4 spot on our countdown of Amazon's best-selling painting supplies, we present the Sharpie Creative Markers. These aren't your ordinary markers. They're vibrant, versatile, and vivacious, ready to ignite your creativity with every stroke. Imagine the brilliance of paint-like ink, flowing smoothly and evenly, yet without the worry of bleed-through on your precious paper. Picture your art coming to life on not just paper, but on metal, wood, ceramic, glass, rock, and canvas. These markers don't just mark, they transform ordinary surfaces into extraordinary canvases. The colors, they pop and sizzle with intensity on both light and dark backgrounds. Bold, bright, and beautiful. They make every piece of your artwork stand out with a stunning vibrancy that's hard to miss. Layer them, blend them, let your imagination run wild. Each hue remains distinct and dazzling. What makes these markers even more fantastic? No shaking required. Just uncap and let your creativity flow. Simplicity meets sophistication, making your artistic journey seamless and satisfying. For optimal results, remember to store them horizontally, ensuring the ink remains ready to inspire your next masterpiece. With 12 water-based acrylic markers in assorted colors, you have a spectrum of creativity at your fingertips. From bullet tips that offer precision to the array of colors that promise perfection, the Sharpie Creative Markers are your go-to tools for artistic expression. Unleash your inner artist. Elevate your creations. With Sharpie Creative Markers, every stroke, every mark, every layer tells a story. A story of color, creativity, and boundless imagination. Landing at number 3 on our countdown of Amazon's best-selling painting products, we introduce the vibrant and versatile Apple Barrel Acrylic Paint in the convenient 8-ounce size, color 20403 white. This isn't just paint, it's a doorway to endless creative possibilities. First, let's talk about size. The 8-ounce bottle is perfect for a variety of projects, from base coating to stenciling and so much more. It's a size that balances quantity with convenience, ensuring you have enough paint to complete your projects without overwhelming your workspace. And the finish? Simply brilliant. This acrylic paint dries to a stunning matte finish, making it ideal for a myriad of arts and crafts. Whether you're working on a school project, a DIY home decor item, or a professional art piece, the finish gives your creations a refined, sophisticated look. The color itself is a bright, crisp white that stands out. Grab your acrylic brushes and let this fun, luminous paint bring life to all your DIY projects. Imagine the possibilities as you apply it to wood, paper, canvas, styrofoam, paper mache, and more. The versatility is truly remarkable. Ease of use is another highlight. Cleaning up is a breeze. Just use soap and water while the paint is still wet. No fuss, no hassle, just pure creative joy from start to finish. Proudly manufactured in the USA, Apple Barrel acrylic paint is a testament to quality and craftsmanship. The formula is non-toxic and water-based, making it safe for artists of all ages. This makes it an excellent addition to your art supplies, especially for family crafting sessions. In essence, Apple Barrel acrylic paint is more than just a paint. It's an invitation to explore your creativity, to experiment with different surfaces, and to enjoy the process of making art. From its vibrant color to its versatile application, it stands as a trusted companion in your artistic journey. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling painting products on Amazon? Brush up your art game and pal it around by liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest and greatest art supplies. Securing the impressive number 2 spot on our countdown of Amazon's best-selling painting products, we present the 24 Colors Dual-Tip Acrylic Paint Pens Markers by Beatum. These markers are not just tools, they are the epitome of versatility and vibrant creativity, waiting to unleash your artistic potential. Let's dive into the dual-tip feature first. Each marker boasts a 1 to 5 mm round nib and a 1 mm fine nib. This dual-tip design is a game-changer, catering to your every artistic need. Use the fine tip for outlining and intricate details, while the brush tip is perfect for covering larger areas and adding dynamic flourishes. It's like having 2 markers in one, providing precision and flexibility at your fingertips. An exciting update, our upgraded cotton nibs version. Unlike the ordinary push-type acrylic pens, these markers are equipped with cotton nibs that can be used directly. They dry faster, allowing you to work swiftly and efficiently. Remember to tighten the cap and store the pens horizontally to keep them in optimal condition. Now let's talk colors. These 24 bright and vibrant hues offer a rich palette that sparks imagination and creativity. Whether you're designing a scrapbook, crafting a bullet journal, or creating a personalized Christmas card, the color range ensures every project bursts with life. Imagine the endless possibilities for your DIY crafts projects with these vivid shades at your disposal. Versatility is key. Beatum acrylic markers provide smooth inking across diverse surfaces: paper, cardstock, metal, wood, plastic, canvas, fabrics, ceramics, and even rocks. The high-quality opaque water-based ink is odorless and acid-free, ensuring your artwork remains vibrant and alive for a long time. Your imagination is the only limit. These markers also make an ideal gift. Perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion, Beatum acrylic paint pens are a thoughtful and creative present for artists of all ages. Encourage a budding artist or add a splash of color to a loved one's life. From painted rock enthusiasts to scrapbook aficionados, these markers are bound to bring joy and inspiration. In essence, Beatum's 24 Colors. Dual-tip acrylic paint pens markers are not just about painting. They are about expressing, creating, and celebrating the art within. Elevate your artistry with these exceptional markers and let your creativity shine. Finally, at the pinnacle of our top 5 best-selling painting products on Amazon, we unveil the unrivaled Apple Barrel acrylic paint in assorted colors, 2-ounce, color 20503 white. This paint isn't merely a supply, It's a celebration of artistic expression, capturing the essence of creativity in a bottle. First, let's explore the size. The versatile 2-ounce bottle is perfect for a multitude of projects. Whether you're base coating, stenciling, or diving into a detailed masterpiece, this convenient size ensures you have just the right amount without any waste. It's compact, practical, and ready to inspire. Now, the finish. Imagine a brilliant acrylic paint that dries to a smooth, elegant matte. This finish is ideal for all your arts and crafts, offering a refined look that enhances every project. From simple DIY crafts to elaborate art pieces, the matte finish provides a professional touch. The color is a bright, pure white that stands out in any setting. Grab your brushes and watch as this vibrant hue brings your projects to life. The intensity and clarity of the color make it a favorite among artists, ensuring your creations are always bold and beautiful. Versatility is at the heart of this product. Use apple barrel acrylic paint on a variety of surfaces: wood, paper, canvas, styrofoam, paper mache, and beyond. The adaptability of this paint is unmatched, making it a go-to choice for artists working on diverse mediums. Each stroke, each layer, every blend showcases the quality of this exceptional paint. Ease of use extends to cleanup as well. Simply wash with soap and water while the paint is still wet. No more stressing about spills or messes, just pure, unhindered creativity. Manufactured proudly in the USA, Apple Barrel Acrylic Paint stands as a testament to quality and reliability. The non-toxic, water-based formula ensures safety for artists of all ages, making it perfect for family projects or solo endeavors. In summary, the Apple Barrel Acrylic Paint in 2-ounce, color 20503 white, epitomizes what it means to create with freedom and joy. Its convenient size, brilliant finish, vibrant color, and versatile application make it the ultimate choice for artists everywhere. Expand your art supplies with this exceptional paint and let your imagination soar to new heights. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling painting products on Amazon. To keep up with all the latest bestsellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.